Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change language on Mazda CX-3. First, make sure your vehicle is in a safe, parked position. Then, locate the Home button on your infotainment system and press it to bring up the main menu. Once on the home screen, use the Commander knob to carefully scroll through the options until you find the Settings icon. This is your starting point for customizing your car's display. Once you are in the Settings menu, you will see several tabs. Use the Commander knob to nudge to the right until you highlight the System tab, then press the knob to select it. Inside the System menu, continue turning the Commander knob to scroll down through the various options. Look for the language setting, which will allow you to modify the display language for your Mazda CX-3 infotainment system. After selecting language, a comprehensive list of available languages will be presented on your screen. Carefully scroll through these options using the Commander knob until you find your desired language. Once highlighted, press the Commander knob to make your selection. The system will then typically ask for confirmation to apply the change. Confirm your choice, and your Mazda CX-3 display language will update immediately. Beyond the display, you can also change the voice prompt language by pressing the Talk button and saying Setup Language, then selecting your preference. It's important to know that for some imported Mazda CX-3 models, changing the infotainment language might not affect the instrument cluster. A dealership firmware update may be needed for a complete language conversion. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.